Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to find your Buns in Town ID so you can use it to embed your Buns in Town events. First, we're going to select our widget type, that is Buns in Town events, and it says here that we have to put or paste our Buns in Town ID. So what is our Buns in Town ID and how can we find it? Now you can find it by clicking this button, and if you click this will open up the step-by-step and it will show you what is your Buns in Town ID. And in our video, I'm also going to show it by first going to our Buns in Town. We are going to use this Buns in Town events from the read list. And first, we're going to copy the ID. This is the ID, the number here. We can copy this or we can copy the whole URL. And if we paste it here at the Sociable Kit, it will always convert it into the Buns in Town ID. Now here it is. Now we're going to click next. And as you can see, this is now our Buns in Town events. As you can see, our Buns in Town ID worked. So first, if you have encountered any problems in embedding or syncing up, just click this button located at the bottom right corner of your screen. This will open up the Sociable Kit chat support. Now that is all guys, thank you guys for watching and I'll catch you guys in the next video tutorial.